Hi there, Crystal Thompson here. Today I have Whit-kit August 2020 Washi Sentiments. I can't wait to show you what we're doing with this amazing card kit released by Whitney for Unity. So for this, we are going to use the awesome paper pack watercolor succulents, the awesome Hello die from the Essentials Greetings die set. You get 2 dies in this kit. And then I have some very basic white cardstock and some tiny washi tape. What we're going to do is we are going to begin by trimming our paper, our succulent paper, 4 1/4, 5 1/2. Then once that's done, I have a strip of white cardstock. This is about 2 1/2 by 4 1/4, which is the width of our card. And then I have this super cute washi tape. Don't ask me where it's from, probably Joann's. And I am going to create a frame background using the washi tape. So as I'm creating this little frame, let me show you what I did. So I had a piece of white cardstock, and then I used the same washi tape that I have going on here, and I added row after row after row. And I want to say I did like 10 rows of washi tape. Once that was done, I placed my die on it and I ran it through my die cutting machine and cutting out this hello. And the reason why is that 1, I didn't have glitter paper, and 2, I really wanted to use something that was in my stack. So I thought, you know what, this is going to match really well with the frame that I'm going to create, and it's all going to coordinate very nicely. And as you can see, I have that hello ready to go. It's really kind of pretty. I really enjoyed it, and I didn't have to go and buy any more supplies, right? So if you wanted to create something like this and have glitter washi tape, go grab it. So as you can see, this is the back end of my paper pack, and actually it looks like I used the leftover paper from this watercolor succulents. Now what I'm doing, I have little squares of foam adhesive, and all I'm doing is cutting them in half. And what this is going to do is going to trim them into little pieces that fit right, and they fit really well in the back of this hello. And so every letter has a bit of foam, and that way they stick really nicely and they have a really nice clean dimension on them. So we're going to finish this up. I feel like this is the hardest part of the whole card, is adding that backer. Now we're going to go ahead and remove all those backers for the foam adhesive, and that is super, super easy. And then you have these super cool little black little squares in the back. One of the tips that I can give you is if you are having a hard time, especially with something such as itty bitty as these, use your scissors or your tweezers to pull them up, or if you have nice long nails, you can do that as well. So another tip here is if your hello ends up kind of shifting or expanding because it's paper, right? Use your hello die, place it on top, and that way you can see the different spacing in your letters, and that way you can place them all nice together. And then as you can see, I have a little bit of my phone sticking out, so I just brought in my scissors and snipped that little edge of it. Then I'm going to press down, and that does it for this card. I don't feel any further embellishment is needed just because it's so glittery and pretty. And I'm really loving this card. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this quick tutorial using August 2020 Whit-kit. Give this video a thumbs up. Any questions down below. And guys, we'll see you later. Have a good day.